Yeah, it's recording.
Okay. Yeah, about to send it, eh? I apologize. I got to editing this video and realized I gave you no context as to what is going on here. Those fire trucks, four-wheelers, dune buggies you see going by is the famous Lake Tillery 4th of July parade. If you know, who am I kidding? You've probably never heard of it. Basically, people decorate all these things, drive around in this parade, throw candy at you, squirt you with water guns. It's this whole ordeal. But anyway, after the parade goes by, we jump on the boat and head out for fireworks on the lake.